Kmotion 2 has the ability to execute scripts on the server triggered by buttons on the web interface, no matter where on the planet you happen to be logged in from. This is what we call the function. If you press the function button, you'll end up with, by default, 16 buttons backlit in yellow but actually greyed out, i.e. they do nothing. I'm going to show you how you can set it up so these buttons will actually activate scripts on the server. The plan being that they could again turn on lights or make an announcement or basically do anything you want, anything a shell script can do. Okay, bringing in a file manager. You'll notice we're at the Kmotion 2 root directory. If we go into the func or function folder, you'll see there's a readme. And the readme does step you through exactly how you should set things up. However, we won't go through that line by line. Instead, I'll show you an actual example. What we need to do is to add some files into the function folder with a specific structure in the file name so that the Kmotion 2 will actually understand that they're files to be executed. I'm just going to take this off screen and copy some files that are pre-prepared and bring it back. Now I've defined 3 different shell functions, which should in theory be function 1, function 2 and function 3. It's fairly self-explanatory. func01.shell will be executed when you press F1, func02, F2, da 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 da. I'm going to show you what's actually in these shell scripts. I've just done a really simple little program. A line to designate this is a bash shell, touch, basic testbed, and then the file name function script01 running, sleep for 3 seconds, and then remove function script01 running. So what should happen is you press F1, the file is generated in the testbed directory, 3 seconds later it's removed. All 3 of these scripts do exactly the same except they list 1, 2, 3. Okay, so having put these shell scripts into the func directory, the next thing I need to do is do a Kmotion relay. Or restart, do apologise, that was a previous version. Right, okay. And also, while that's doing that, I'm going to kill the web interface and start it up again. This will take a second. Okay. Now when we press function, hopefully, we have 3 buttons that have actually become alive. Now if I bring a file manager with testbed displayed on it, when I hit F1, hopefully, there we go, function script 01 is running, 3 seconds later off it goes. And the same for F2 and F3. Now this will take a bit of imagination, but you have to remember that the web interface is in, for example, Adelaide in Australia, and you're clicking this F1, F2 and F3, and this little window in the file manager is actually the server. So you're communicating the signal to the server is executing one of the 3 scripts, which is then shown by popping a file up on the file manager. So in this way you can execute predefined scripts to do whatever you like, up to 16 of them. Just out of interest, it is possible, and I have tried it, where the 16 scripts can actually execute presets on a pan tilt zoom camera as a possible extra alternative. Anyway, I do hope that that helps. Thank you.